What's going on, fellas? We got it in. It came quick. BNR parts from Van Nuys, California. It got here quick, maybe two days. I wasn't expecting this till Monday. This is Friday. Ordered a couple days ago. I ordered this on Tuesday, then expected it till Monday, and it's already here. I'm like, what? So yeah, we're gonna install this weekend. So the good thing with eBay Motors is eBay's come a long way, so something's wrong, we can most definitely get our money. Money back. Yes. BNR Parts, good job packing this, man. Good job. Oh my boy. It's got some heft to it. Thought it was gonna be too small. Ooh! Made in the USA. Let's move this out the way real quick. It's got some heft to it. Heft. With 2 F's and 3 T's. You know what I'm saying? Nice post on it. So the good thing about it is if you've never changed one, this kind of gives you an idea what you're gonna be do. Oh, work. All right, sorry about that. So I ended up getting a phone call from work. All right, but yeah, so the good thing is, without me having to actually take it apart, we kind of see what's what. The long bolt is gonna go through here, of course. So this is gonna bracket onto the engine. This is gonna be the side that goes to the engine. This is gonna go to another spot, but we are gonna film that. This is nice, very nice. Yeah, man, I can't wait to take that old one off. And since we got it sooner, as opposed to later, we're gonna go ahead and do the upgrade. We're gonna go ahead and do the big 3 upgrade as well. You guys know I got that kit. So we're gonna unbox it. So we're probably gonna order some different terminals since I'm ordering a new belt online. Probably order some better lugs. So these are cool, but the copper, I'm doing OFC copper, might as well get the copper stuff. So we'll see how that goes. And then again, if the copper lugs don't come in time for this, for me to put this on, we'll just replace the alternator anyway, that we can still drive the vehicle. We won't do the system install until later anyway, because we got some stuff for that. So stay tuned. All right, fellas, here we are. Big 3 kit, the Elegance Sound, CT Sounds. Gonna pop this open. Simple. Guess it's supposed to be a little window. All right, let's see what we got right here. This is a ground cable. 4,074 strands. Where's it at? Here we go. That's the part we care about right here. 100% oxygen-free copper. Oh, this is, I'm sorry, it's my power wire. It's power. And this is ground, of course, because we got the battery grounding point. And then we got the ground that goes from the alternator to the chassis as well. 100% oxygen-free copper. We're gonna use a different terminal in this one. I'm gonna sell this. These are cool. Y'all know how that goes. These aren't the best, especially for if water splashes up from anywhere, because my alternator is low, so we could probably go with something from Stinger. Yeah, we're not gonna use these terminals or nothing like that. I'm gonna sell these. Get a little bit of change back, but this is what we want right here. Yeah, man. Big 3 upgrade coming soon.